Later on, you're looking for SKS Germany fender aluminium mudguard set. All rod and rod, edge all, 5-year warranty with all needed not instrument, but fixation. Looks like this. It's aluminium. Color is painted black. At the back you can see you will receive fitting, various size fitting. Here is instruction, here is size 56 millimeters for tire, 15 millimeters. Looks like this, made in Germany, blah blah blah. Looks like this. If you need this item, you can buy this item at fortheprint.lv. Follow link below if I will leave it. If no, just press on our website for the print SKS Germany Edge All and you will see this item. Thank you very much and have a nice day.